Hi everyone, and welcome to another video. Today I'm taking you along with me while I spend most of the day in the lab and then a class later tonight. Since I was going to be spending all day and nothing is really open on campus, I had to pack a lunch. I went for a high-protein lunch with a peanut butter and honey sandwich and added some pecans and cheese. I also grabbed a few extra snacks. I pulled my hair back into a ponytail so it stays out of the way while I work. I packed my bags and got ready to go. In the winter, leaving the house is such a process. My coat is the brand Firefly and I got it at Sport Check, and my sister got me the scarf from the Bay and the brand is London Fog. Usually you just get a random locker each week, but because of COVID, we each get our own locker for the entire semester since there are only a few labs running in person. Bonjour. Oui, toi? Ouais. The day before this, we set up the medium for our plants. It was autoclaved and then poured into jars. It was left overnight to cool and solidify. So then this morning we were cleaning / disinfecting the seeds before we put them into the jars. We had 15 different treatments and 5 replicates for each treatment, so that's a total of 75 jars. I organized them, then put them in this fridge-like thing that has controlled light and temperature. This is the courtyard and it's supposed to simulate some sort of forest ecosystem, maybe a boreal forest. I'm not quite sure, I don't really remember. I did some data collection for my research project while I ate my lunch. For our main lab of the day, we are doing pigment extractions from the leaves of carthums. This is a decanter and basically you shake it around and then the layers separate similar to oil and water. Then you can get rid of the stuff you don't want. For what we want here, I'm putting it in a dark glass vial to protect the pigments from degrading in light. This is an HPLC column, and I already added the pigment solution and then continuously added petroleum, ether, and propanol to keep the column moist. It's covered in tinfoil to protect against the light. While we wait for stuff to sit, we went up to the greenhouses and fertilized some plants for a different experiment. When we got back, my lab tech set up my column with suction because it was being really slow. This is what it looked like in the end. The colors are a little hard to see in the video, so I added a photo. We then scraped out the sugar and put some of the color in each of the beakers and then mixed it with acetone. They were then centrifuged so all the sugar would collect at the bottom. I then pipetted the liquid from the top and transferred them into tubes. I then read the absorbances at different wavelengths. It wasn't hard, just super repetitive. I was then finally done my lab and got ready to head home. I switched back to my personal face mask since the disposable ones are mandatory for in-lab. On my way out, I passed the fish tank. It's a tropical fish and coral tank. They actually have a 24/7 live stream of the tank on YouTube. I ate dinner while listening to my lecture. I think I had chicken, mozzarella sticks, and mini quiche. Here I was taking some notes during the lecture. Once my lecture was done, I worked on collecting more data and reading over some stuff for my TAing for the next day. I then had a snack, watched some YouTube, and grabbed some water.
Practice acts, so I just read through like all of these, and
After that, I got ready for bed and then read a little bit before going to sleep. I hope you enjoyed this day in the life. I really want to show more as a science student, so don't forget to subscribe and like this video, and I will see you all next week with another video. Bye!